Living on the road out of a truck was always awesome. It just wasn't maybe as comfortable as I would have liked it to be. Getting done with hikes or mountain biking and just being crammed into something, and also sometimes having to worry about where I was attaching my gear kind of led me to want a van, something that had a little bit more room, could protect my gear, keep me out of the elements, but also get a better night's sleep as well as like eat better food. So a van was kind of a no-brainer with the lifestyle I was living. My name is Larry, and I've been living on the road on and off over the last 8 years. Yeah, so I spent a little close to 6 months restoring a Avion, which is a competitor of an Airstream, and obviously a camper isn't that versatile when it comes to taking a lot of locations, but I knew that if I was going to have a van and that I wanted to be rugged, I wanted to make sure that quality was there. And of all the van builders I went and looked at, there's a lot of amazing people out there, but the quality of a Tourig, as well as just getting to interact with the team, it made me feel a lot more comfortable spending the money and working with someone that I trusted. Yeah, so this is my 2019 four-wheel drive Mercedes Sprinter. It's a 170, so I went with the middle length of the options, the double door. I love it. The whole point for me is to be camping and to be outdoors, and when I'm not outdoors because I'm doing something inside, that's what I want to experience, is the outdoors. Being in the van since, honestly, I've had zero complaints. Just comparing to a truck, it's really hard. Sure, they're a lot slower and it takes a lot longer to get somewhere, so you have to be patient. But when you get to where you're going, you have a whole home. You have everything you need with you. So you're not really leaving anything behind. And also, it's always already packed, ready for an adventure. So you're not really planning. It's just kind of like, okay, I'll go. Honestly, the van has surprised me in the locations it's been. I've taken it elk hunting and crazy snowstorms, or being on the beach right here now. It's just they're quite capable. Being able to go to friends or family and have my own home outside of their home, it really makes it to where you can stay longer and not actually be in someone's space, because you have your own space to be. So that's probably my favorite thing about it. And I know that's the least adventure ability of the vehicle, but I would say for me, that's been something awesome, to go and connect with a lot of my loved ones. Just being able to have the mobility allows me to be around people in the industry more often, which means that often I'm building with people together instead of just sitting at my own office or doing my own thing and making a phone call. Yeah, my experience just altogether with Tourig has been awesome, to see that the owners live the lifestyle, create new products or new layouts, and it's awesome to me to see them out there doing it. So before someone's making that first purchase, most people don't have any experience. So if I can help push them towards a better purchase, then I'm pretty stoked on that.